Hello, Vivian here today. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite drinks, bubble tea, boba tea, or called 珍珠奶茶. But I'm going to show you how to make the pearls from scratch with molasses. So you don't need any food coloring. The color turned out perfect with this. Also making a special cream cheese topping for the bubble tea. This is gonna be so good. So let's get started. Let's make the pearls first. Here we add a 70 ml water and a 1/4 cup molasses. So boil the water and molasses mixture first. Boiling this sugar water to a boil. So for the pearls and boba, we have to use tapioca flour, or you call tapioca starch. If you use any other kind of flour, it's not boba anymore. When this molasses water boils, we turn it down. So here 100 gram tapioca flour. We will add this in the hot molasses water. We will add 2 spoons first. Then we mix. Mix with the spatula. Quick, you're gonna be quick. Then we add the rest flour. Quickly, while it's hot. So we mix this quickly in the pot. It's hot enough in the pot, you can turn the heat down. I put the gloves on because the dough is really hot. So now we put some tapioca flour on the surface here. We transfer the dough on the surface. So while the dough is hot, we knead the dough until smooth, as hard as you can. So this is my only quarantine exercise now, like cooking. So if your molasses water is not hot enough, tapioca starch is not gonna stick together. Like my first time I made it, water wasn't hot enough. I didn't do it on a stove, so the pearls just doesn't come together, kind of crumbly. You can't really knead the dough. And this is very stretchy. Kind of like making noodles, right? Oh, break. Okay, it's ready. And we divide them. I like to divide it 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're making the first one. Just roll them out like a long skinny noodle. So I made like 3 noodles. Now we cut them in individual pearls. Start rolling each one. Now you just roll them into little pearls, little boba, like this. Don't forget, add some tapioca flour in here so they won't stick together. Made all the pearls from 1/3 of the dough. This is enough for me for 1 cup. So 2 more, you can make 2 more cups. So totally 3 cups of boba tea, that'll be enough. Now making a caramel milk tea, about 10 grams. Sugar first. On the medium high, make this into caramel. Now you can see the color is turning now into caramel. So now we add 200 ml milk. And also 50 ml water for a couple minutes. And get your tea bag. I use black tea today. Put in here, cook with the milk and caramel. So this way you got more intense tea flavor. Now you can smell the tea. The color is getting darker. Ooh. We turn off the heat, take the tea bags out. So now we boil the pearls with water. Add some molasses too. Here is my handmade pearls. We boil this in molasses water for 3 minutes. I put them in a little cold water so they won't stick together. Ooh, I want to try one right now. I can just eat this as my snack. Very good. Now we are making a cream cheese foam topping for the bubble tea. Cream cheese, like 15 grams, and sugar. We blend this first. Whipping cream. Ready for the bubble tea. Now we're finally making the tea. I like to put the boba first on the bottom of the bowl. Now put the milk tea. Put the milk tea in. Foam topping. Look at this. You can use a pastry bag to do this too. To be fancy, like to decorate the top with some more pearls. It looks so pretty. Can't wait to try this. Let's eat the topping first. This is a meal. So creamy. And the pearls so chewy. And now, try the tea. Cheers. So good. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, smash the like button. I will see you next week. 下次再见. Bye.